Welcome to OnceOVR PDQ, a one-stop app that lets anyone collect all the information needed for a complete fleet inventory audit. To get started, simply choose the Create Guru Inspection button. After completing a one-time registration process, you're ready to get started. Start off by scanning or entering your vehicle's VIN number. This can be found in the windshield or on the driver door jamb. You'll also be asked to enter your vehicle's year, make, and model, as well as the vehicle's mileage and whether it is drivable. Next, take photos of the vehicle's interior and make sure they correspond to the on-screen icons. Make sure to photograph any damage to these areas. Now, take photos of the vehicle's exterior that also correspond to the icons on this screen. Again, make sure to photograph any damages. Next, indicate the condition of each area specified on the screen. Be sure to detail any mechanical problems with the vehicle. And identify any warning lights that may appear on the dashboard. Finally, enter the zip code where the car is located and tell us any additional comments you think we need to know about the vehicle. On the final screen, be sure to enter your name and sign the line below. If you would like a copy of the inspection, indicate that in the final box by entering an email address where you'd like it sent. When you're done, click the Finish button. After you've completed all of your inspections, send them in by clicking Sync on the home screen, and that's it. You're done.